Hey guys, in this video we will explain how to open the same WhatsApp number on one phone on the same time. This is my WhatsApp account. Now I am going to open it now a second phone. Go to the second phone and download WhatsApp like this. After download WhatsApp, open WhatsApp second phone. Choose your language. After click on accept and continue. Now go to my account WhatsApp. Click here, three dots here. After click on linked device. Click link a device. After scan this QR. Wait. Now is link it subscribe. Go to second WhatsApp. As you can see, the WhatsApp account has been opened on two phone. Phone number 2, phone number 1. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Next video.